maybe rest that one down.
Yeah, give you a clear field of view there.
So we have received various weapons from the Troubles in Northern Ireland. You can read up details on that. There are relatively few details about these things, partly because they've not been passed to us. That's not relevant. Most of the SMGs are Loyalist terrorists rather than IRA. Indeed, this is. I'm not quite entirely sure why that's the case, except that I guess the other side had other ways of getting original purpose, lethal purpose firearms. And they made all sorts. There are Sterling variants, there are Sten-based things like this, and there are what they call nicknamed Stenlings, which are a sort of hybrid of the two.
Okay.
We have examples of most of those. This one was named, I presume, this was gathered in interrogation or something, but the Avenger, which I'm not going to go into any politics, but that's what it was called. Right away, people will probably notice 303 on this. Clearly not the caliber.
Right away, people will probably notice 303 on this. Clearly not the caliber.
Right.
We believe that's an attempt at a serial number, probably artificially high to conceal the fact that they weren't when they were made. Who knows?
It's on the side.
Thank you. Sten type magazine. In fact, it is a Sten magazine, if I can get it out.
Yeah, it's interesting to note that a lot of these craft-produced weapons often use some original purpose parts. Magazines especially, because as we all know, they're notoriously difficult to produce.
Yeah, it's interesting to note that a lot of these craft-produced weapons often use some original purpose parts. Magazines especially, because as we all know, they're notoriously difficult to produce.
Reliable magazines?
That's right. In fact, the main thing about the Stenlings is that they're often Sten primarily, but the magazine, they were built around a Sterling magazine because it's so good.
Right. The Sterling magazine is one of the best submachine gun magazines ever made.
What they call nicknamed Stenlings.
Right away, people will probably notice 303 on this. Clearly not the caliber.